All right, Tom. So what made you choose the Worthouse metal roofing system in comparison to the other options that are on market?
I mean, really a multitude of things. Number one, to me, it was the 50-year warranty. And also with the Florida weather, you're getting rain, you're getting storms, you're getting hurricanes, all of those things. And this roofing material is built to withstand all of that. And so for me, that was the big selling point, was the nature of Florida is not going to diminish the value or the quality or the look of my roof.
Can you describe the process a little bit from your initial consultation to the installation of this new roofing system on your home?
I mean, I can do it in one word. It was simple. Like, that was the greatest thing about it. At the moment I was approached by one of the employees through the roofing company, and he presented the materials of concrete, ceramic tile, and that's what we had before was ceramic tile, and it was a mess. People wouldn't clean it, they wouldn't walk on it. All of those things, caring for it was a nightmare, really. And he talked about how the quality of this roofing material, the metal, the design, the color, all of that just fit our needs and what we wanted. So it was a simple process of saying yes to this is the product for us. And then the moment they started working, dropping pallets off, bringing roofing materials, everybody was nice. The quality of work was done fantastically. They cleaned up every day. I got kids, man, there's nails that go everywhere through the process. They cleaned up nails with the magnets. Like, it was a simple, easy process.
I'm standing here with Universal Roof and Contracting, a preferred certified contractor for Worthouse, who installed this beautiful roof.
Worthouse delivers exceptional build quality. The panels fit accurately, they install efficiently, and it reduces labor time while maintaining the durability that everybody wants.
How do you find working with Worthouse Manufacturing as a company?
So Worthouse provides reliable support. They have a streamlined logistics. They have resources for training. The product availability makes it so easy and straightforward for product coordination.